Well, as fun as that was, actually, I'm just gonna go find that iron. I'll probably find it on the... It's almost straight up. Maybe I want to go straight up. But for now... I just want to find it. We're gonna need something smaller than the seagull to actually... There it is. Yeah. I think this means that we should have the base here. But yeah, we need to go get ice. Which means we need... That one's the closest. And it is so. I also need to turn this back on. Yeah, the version of the Seagulls mod that I'm working on in Creative is going to have a programming block so that you can switch between the horizon thing here and the auto LCDs that shows how full your cargo is. That will probably always be a thing on my ship. It's just a question of where to put the darn programming block. Despite the fact that the cockpit should probably have one in it by default. You've seen how small those small grid ones are. Makes sense, doesn't it? Maybe someone can mod that. I think we'll just sit here and let that do its thing for the moment. Meanwhile... Again, while fiddling in Creative, I had the idea to add a little more wheeling. Yep, that's the one. I've also been experimenting with a non-vanilla version, using Spacebar's recently released version of the old modular thrusters. I think that's what they were called. That's not the right way. Yeah. He recently tuned the power requirements down for the small grid ones, which I'm very thankful for. Still probably going to have to replace the large hydrogen engine under there with a large reactor. So that'll be fun. But I suspect the thrusters will be able to manage. And yes, it'll still be able to fit through the hole it makes, so yay. Question is, are the large rear thrusters the only hydrogen I'm going to have on it? Once I'm self-sufficient in space, I just need to get up and down. That's something Blue Midget would be for. Draining the drill first. Now, with something as small as Blue Midget to be able to get into orbit with just the one large thruster, and a row of small tanks. Now we want our lights. And the steel will be right there. We really should start working on this. Let's put this back. Take that back again. We have things in here. This, and this, and this, and this, and this. Actually, we'll probably need more steel too, because we'll be using the armored tubes at some point. We put that down first, in fact. We don't have that there. That's fine. That's the one we want. Steel plate is all it needs. Now, I don't remember having that much iron up here. But yeah, nickel and silicon we need. And I keep doing that. Keep adding 2. Okay. Yeah, that's what I should be able. That's not right. That right? Let me see. Upside down. Well, that's not right either, is it? That's more like it. Now. I don't want to focus on this, frankly. We'll also need the small container on the inside. But we won't be able to finish that yet, so... That's not bad. We go get that. Where's nickel? We need nickel now. Huh. Well, this is problematic. Maybe, instead of bringing up components, I should be bringing up ingots. Am I seeing lightning? I'm seeing lightning, aren't I? I probably don't want to go down there right now. Is it planet-wide? Huh. Am I going to return to a blasted base? I had no idea the weather continued even when you were away from it. That is also potentially problematic. Well, since we're not going down right now, I might as well just fill up again. I really need to get that programmable block version going. I guess right here will do. Yeah. You be gone. Iron base. I don't know. Maybe that ring's a little too big. I've been building too many hexagons, octagons, because of Red Dwarf, and now that might be pretty much all I do. Still lightning going on. What am I going to come back to? There should probably be a might as well do the same here too. I suppose we could. Not going to do that there. That should be fine. Still seeing lightning. I hope this isn't going to be a problem. Last thing I need to do is recreate the Empire Strikes Back. And Dagobah. Obviously in the atmosphere. I'm not seeing any lightning now. they not be jinxing it? Guess it was for show. Anyway. Turns out to be a nice clear day. I guess that lightning was just supposed to be scary. Yep, that's what I thought. Still won't be enough though, will it? Well, we've been up there for a bit. Let's go do the rounds. Oops. Oh. That's problematic. Was this lightning? Is lightning what that was? I have no idea. Maybe I should. So all seems fine. That's off as it should be. Oh, we can park that again. And a bit more to hold on to that than just the... Yeah. Do that there and there. Looks like we're opening all the doors. To be fair, I should probably open some windows in this house. Should I use the heavier armor for this? It might be prudent. Terrible at this today. Makes sense on the side, but here, I think we'll go with this. That does look weird, doesn't it? Oh well. Contemplating taking this apart. It's a bit much, isn't it? It's silly. Whack! Yeah, not that one. Whew. Yeah, but you're picking all that up, aren't you? That was a lot. And you know, it's because I was surprised. I think I'm going to take the radar mod off. If I'm in a cockpit, it always lets me know when they find me. I suppose I could turn that function off. I haven't really paid that much attention. But I don't know if I need it with the vanilla skybox up there. I have no particular desire to use it down here. What are we going to do about this? Can we drive out of it? Looks like. How are you? Are you alright? And was it lightning? Or was it the gun? Couldn't have been from that angle. Everything seems fine here. How much steel have I got left? I've got plenty. Maybe we should extend this somewhere. That's fine. Oh. Did we take that off ourselves? Or maybe that was what got hit. And then... Ooh. Yeah. Okay then. I'm gonna guess this was lightning. And I missed it. It seemed fine otherwise. Oh right. We still have to clear up these. I only have to see where the H2 surveyor ended up. Probably try using admin tools to find that. If there's anything even left. I'm also debating chopping that, chopping the back of the, what's it called? Tensor. Forgetting. New name. Get used to. They're coming down right on top of me. Might be. Yeah, I'm contemplating losing the third container on the Tensor. Yes, yes, I know. Do you have ammo? It's fun. Oh right, we were gonna get that, weren't we? We will in a minute, or maybe we'll spin around and get it now. Why not? Who am I to argue with fate? It's alright. You're not going anywhere. But yeah, we'll use the Tensor for getting up the lake. Might just chop the back off it and rebuild it first. Because obviously it struggles with 3 full containers. How are you doing? Looks like you're done. You know, that's something else I want to do. And since we need gravel for reactor components, it might be time to do something about it. Instead of collecting, could just drill. And that should do the trick. Just drilling? Yeah. Okay, so that was the point of that. Why aren't you picking this up? That might be it. Now you're picking it up. That too. Takes a lot longer to pick up. That does to mine. Interesting choice of balance. Doing for... Oh yeah, you go for it. Then we move it to clear all this stuff. Circle back, I suppose. Yeah, of course. Stone. Few gravel. Among other things. That is a lot of ammo. We don't need that much. I wonder if that's OP or not. Guess this is heavy rain? As long as it's not a storm. And we're back. I'm probably going to do more JMC survival at some point. And I will stream it before making the highlight video, because why not? But for now, I'm going to get back to this. I do wonder if the enhanced exploration mod adds more to planets as well, though. Might have been something I should sort out at some point. No, with the crane gun, I don't need that control panel there anymore. Yeah, I'm starting to think that the sleep mod triggers clear weather. That is my impression. Anyway. We have the rest of the mining outposts to visit. Now I remember, I wanted to cut the back off of the dancer. What is that word? Tensor. Still having difficulty remembering it. Yeah, you're fine. And then use its bob to take apart the junk on the lake. Sounds like you're done. You are still at it. No, wait, that's the one I've already got. Got a whole bunch of silver. Connector 2. I didn't just take any on board, did I? I did not. Okay, that's something. Get the other one going again. Oh, I turned off I removed the radar mod, incidentally. And I switched from the 6-legged cyberhounds to the original. Turn you on. See if you're doing stuff. Or indeed doing stuff. Oh yes, we were also going to see if there was anything left of our large grid or detector ship. Spaceship. Right, those two are connected. Doesn't seem like... there's a lot going on. I suppose I could move it. To the right, maybe? Still picking up stone, though. How much is there? Plenty. You know what? I think I'll just let you do that. I'll leave you on for now. I should have said no, Badger. Ah, come on. There we go. No food stuff this time, that's nice. And it looks like I ate a little bit of tofu that was left. Okay, you have... plenty of cobalt still to go through. No, that's not like that. Oh, you filled me up, you turnip. Don't do that. Where the hell did it? Oh, it was on Bill. And Bill always shunts things out of itself. That's what it does. Don't do that. Maybe that's what I should do, drive over around the other side. I think I'm hearing thunder. I'm not sure. But, yeah, I'm a trifle concerned. Decoys draw lightning, don't they? Maybe I should add something to the solar array. Possibly? Wind turbines too? I don't know. Let's see. We lost 2 blocks in the driveway, I think. So maybe put the decoys on pillars so the decoys are a safe distance away from the blast radius. Not sure there really is a blast radius. Let's try not to knock that over. Let's try to fill. Centralize the mass. What if it was targeting the antenna and the bulbs fixed it faster than the weather could destroy it? That's how the blocks got wrecked instead. Nope, that's the color we've chosen for. Yeah, that's the new one. Red indicates oxygen, and white indicates hydrogen. So, O2H2 generators are orange. And the problem is that we won't be able to move all the big stuff through that. Something else I should do is refit all the mining outposts with an upward connector so I can do that. Maybe retire the Baikal. I should do that before the Seagull. I think we want to get rid of a couple of these as well. No. Stop it, don't. Oh, gods. I painted it differently, you. Fine. Hell with it. Idiots. Fine. You're sticking around. In fact, maybe we should put a bub on you. Bub. Fly mode, grind. Full weld, actually, grind only. No. Yes. Yeah, that does it. Yeah, I don't really enjoy these lights. I think the next one is over there somewhere. While you're doing that, I think it's Alt F10. Yeah, do that. Jag. No, sorry. Underground. No, No sign. Huh. I guess the space surveyor was completely obliterated. Maybe I should build a large grid version of the land speeder. Just to see how that goes. No, it's one of you. What is it with all the badger bollocks today? Alright, I don't have easy access, do I? Should have turned it. I am tempted to take my trip south. But before that, I need to finally add wings to this thing. This time... Nope. There. We like the sharp wings. Oh, that's not right, is it? Wonder why it's into that way. Probably have to. Well, why not? It's not in the way, is it? Oh, I'm too close to the building. Really? Although maybe I should have it pointing the other way. It's probably not a good idea. I'm not sure the space in between that makes any difference. Oh crap, wrong one. Yeah. There. And we'll put a connector too. Not that. Why are you white? You shouldn't be white. Didn't paint you white, did I? Or did you white? Yeah, it looks a little droid army-ish, doesn't it? Now the connector we would have put it flat in the middle, but yeah. Are you going to auto-lock? Not quite close enough, huh? Where are my bottles? Okay. Any more? Bobs, do your thing. Should we go sleep again? I suppose I could. Fresh start in the morning, yada yada. Lisa are gonna go salsa. It's a bit much. If it works, it works. Our secret project should probably be built in the green and verdant land, but depends on the topography. It's going to be an underground base. I think I'm going to want a space that doesn't have lots of resources in it. Or maybe it should, I don't know. You know what, maybe something like this would be sufficient. It's nice and tall. Yeah. Okay, if you're going to be annoying, then I'm not going to bother. Is this an island, so to speak? I'm not sure it's big enough for what I want. Gold is always nice. SP potential location. Gold is the one thing that would make sense to mine. Is there anything else? Magnesium, which means silicon and oh, where's ice? I guess that'll be handy. Oh, of course. We can't have water, so we'd have to make do with ice anyway. But we'd have to experiment with the fill portion of the nanobot drill and fill. I wonder if it also works with lava. Except lava isn't vanilla, is it? It's probably not even... If they're lava planets, I'm sure that Dr. Octoganopus or someone did a lava planet that actually hurts if you walk on it or something. I'm not sure how they did that. That would be interesting. Cobalt. Maybe this... What do you call it? I want to say mesa, but I blink black for that. I don't know, I got a D in geography. Is there anything on this end? Maybe not. everything except iron. Unless it's near the cobalt. More ice. Mag and silly. Could it really be so close to our starting point? Well, regardless, we want to keep looking. This is smaller, probably has less resources. Ice again. Is there more ice underground because we're closer to the equator? I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah, there's not much of interest here. Oh, wait, I stand corrected. Where's that gold again? Speed up. I don't know. Doesn't seem to be on the outside, at least. Gold is technically the only thing that counts. Although, self-sufficient would be cool. I don't know, maybe that one's too small. I haven't really calculated how big it's going to be. Hold on. Hold on. I think we just found the equator. Possible? I don't really know. Where's the North Pole? Did we put the North Pole? Yes, we did. Okay. Not sure those two are quite lined up. Let's mark it. Equato? No. Did I put a question mark on the end? Yeah, we'll keep those there. But I love this crosshair mod. Even when you have it on in first person, it's gone in third. Is that a lake? It appears to be a lake. Is it the lake? I don't remember what the group survival lake looked like. Iron seems to be the deepest, ironically. Not anymore. We'll park it over the cobalt. I don't know, maybe. There's 3 peaks. if we ever do confirm the lake, we're going to call it Shack Lake. I see le moon. Nicely framed there. Of course, it would have to be in the southern hemisphere instead of the north. But we still want our lunar base. Turns out, if I go up in Spectator, my character teleports to my spot, falls off the surveyor, and dies. That was a fun new thing to learn. Whoop. Okay. Now we'll head back to the supposed equator and verify. It's trying to snow. I think I'm leaving a trail of it because it's supposed to be more concentrated around me. Possibly. You see, it seems to be focused on my trail. Has there been any interaction between the plane parts mod and weather? Does it affect the wings at all? And if not, why not? I don't think this is the equator. Maybe it's supposed to be. Maybe this happens at more than the equator. Or maybe it is the equator and I just didn't travel straight enough. I'm not really sure. How's the planet divided up by the game? Is it just poles and equators, or are there smaller segments than that? I'm going to travel another 15 and see what I see. Well, that's 15 and it's still not quite balanced. I should probably take the topography into account, considering this is actually a pretty small planetoid, not something the size of the actual Earth. The smaller it is, the more the topography matters. Well, this is the point at which the two interchange the distance. No apparent markings on the ground. So I don't know. I don't know why that is 20 kilometers away. Is there another line 20 kilometers forward? Well, regardless, I'm gonna head back to the depot. And we'll get back to this next time. Until then.